subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Nokia C20 back in April this year, the company has now launched the upgraded version of it in China as Nokia C20 Plus. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia C20 Plus features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera with face unlock support for biometric authentication. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup in a circular module at the top center, including LED flash beside the camera module. The dual rear camera includes an 8-megapixel primary camera along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the Nokia C20 Plus comes powered by Uni-SoC SC98638 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 256GB via microSD card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 under Go edition, and it comes equipped by a large 4950 mAh battery with 10W charging support. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.4 by 75.85 by 9.35mm, and it weighs around 204.7 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia C20 Plus has been priced in China at 699 Chinese yuan, and the phone is now up for pre-orders in the country in ocean blue and graphite black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from June 16th. So what do you guys think of this Nokia C20 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.